坐得唔得？得唔得？
Are you scared?
I'm not.
No scared. Ah. So many Snoopy characters.
In a boat.
呢度呢個船坐2人喎，如果你加埋媽媽唔得喎，坐2個喎。
Water.
Yeah.
I see. Tomato. Tomatoes.
Yeah.
You see?
Oh, right. They're doing the barbecue. Barbecue marshmallow. Yeah.
Why is it? One hand is putting marshmallow there? Why?
Why? Because it's yummy.
But he's so lazy.
Yeah, it's so silly. Yeah,
Why?
because it's silly.
Everything in that one. That's so beautiful.
So beautiful.
Papa,
Yeah,
I love you.
I love you too, Jensen.
Wow. Now I can look there. I see ocean.
Oceans.
There's something right there.
I see.
You see?
Oh, I see.
What's that?
That's the submarine. And up there have the airplane.
Wow.
Wow. Oh, the water have bubble. Oh, pumpkin.
Where?
Right there.
I don't. What's that right there?
Snoopy.
What's it in the airplane?
He's in the war. Have the missile.
Airplane right there.
Yeah, that's Woodstock. Yeah.
請勿吸煙及攜帶大型物件。Please do not smoke and carry heavy articles. 受酒精或藥物影響者不得乘坐。Persons who are under the influence of alcohol or drugs are not allowed. 在船上請坐穩，扣好安全帶，切不要將手伸出船外。
House, pumpkin.
Sit down, fasten your seatbelt and do not reach out. 如需協助，請舉手及呼喚工作人員。If you need help, please raise your hand and call the operators. 如本機中途停頓，請保持安坐，並依從工作人員嘅指引離開。If the valve stops, please remain sit and follow the guidance from the operators to lift the valve.
Wave your hands. Yeah, good.
每船最多可坐2人。
Oh, it's
Each
the
boat carries a
spaceship
maximum
right
2
there.
passengers.
You see right there?
不足1.2米高嘅小朋友必須由成人陪同，及手抱嬰孩不得乘坐。Children under 1.2 meter of height
It's the
must be
astronaut.
accompanied by adults, and no infants are allowed to join the journey. 請勿吸煙及攜帶大型物件。Please do not smoke and carry heavy articles. 受酒精或藥物影響者不得乘坐。Persons who are under the influence of alcohol or drugs are not allowed.
Volcano.
Yeah, volcano.
在船上請坐穩，扣好安全帶及不要將手伸出船外。While in the boat, please sit down, fasten your seatbelt and do not reach out.
We're
如需
almost
協助，請舉手及呼喚工作人員。如果你係，please raise your hand and call operators。如本機中途停頓，請保持安坐，並依從工作人員嘅指引離開。
Fun, Jensen.
yeah.
Fun. You want to come back again next time?
Yeah.
Cool. We will come back.